front of me is XIAOMI 12S Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can change font style on this device. Firstly, go into Settings. Now you need to scroll down and tap on Wallpaper and Personalization. Then scroll down again, click on Fonts, and tap on those three dots. Over here, click on the best font style for you. I will go with Beautiful Stranger. Click on Download and tap on Apply. As you can see, when I go back, style of my font has changed. If you wish to go back to your default font, go into the same settings and tap on the first one on the list. Then tap on the back button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!